Hey boss babes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get a cheap domain for your website and how to connect it. So that being said, in today's video, we are going to be using GoDaddy. Now, if you don't know what a domain is pretty much any name for your website. So fashionnova.com, forever21.com, battyallnight.com, those are all examples of what a domain is. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in and I'll be showing you guys how to get a cheap domain for your website. So before doing this, make sure that you know how to pick your business name and you know how to pick it without any issues. So if you don't know how to do that, I actually have a video, so make sure to go ahead and watch it. So with that being said, now that you picked your brand name, we're going to go ahead and go to GoDaddy. What you're going to pretty much do is you're going to search any domain name that you want. So in this example, we're going to do catsandcuties.com, and you can see here that we're only going to be paying $3 for our first year. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to check out, you're going to secure the bag. Now there is an upsell where you can purchase full domain protection for an extra $10 a year, and you don't have to do this. You're going to be completely fine if you don't do this when you're starting out. But the reason I recommend it is basically what a person can do if they really wanted to is they could go to the Whois Directory, they can search up your domain name and find out all of your personal information and exactly who owns that domain. So for my personal privacy and for my personal protection, I will go ahead and just add that extra $10 a year just to protect myself, because basically what will happen after that is if somebody does want to look up your domain, they're going to see all the information for GoDaddy and they won't even know who owns it. So I highly recommend that. And so once you went ahead and secured your domain, you're going to go ahead and go to bigcartel.com. Now, I personally do not use them to sell, but they're the only ones that allow a custom domain on a free plan. So that is why I'm going to be using them in today's example. So you're gonna go ahead and go to bigcartel.com. Once you create an account, once you sign up, you're going to go to your account dashboard. So go ahead and click on account. And then once you do that, go ahead and go right here under your shop and click on add a custom domain. Here you can click on the one that says you already own a domain and add it from there. So all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and copy it. You're going to go to godaddy.com, go to the domain that you want to connect, and then click these three dots up here and click on manage DNS. So once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and click on add. For the type, you're going to pick CNAME. For the name, you're going to put www, and then for the value, you're just going to go ahead and put that link that we copied from Big Cartel. And then leave this as default and click on add a record. It might take a little bit of time, but that is basically how you connect your domain. So with that being said, that is literally how easy it is, guys. And that is how you get a really cheap domain that you can connect to your website. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video and comment on it and let me know what you learned. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.